So far, actually, yesterday we already discussed about the Jenkins. What is Jenkins? What it is going to be do? What are the benefits? Okay. Buddy, please share my screen. My screen is visible, right? Right, guys?
Yes,
Yeah.
Krishna.
Yeah. Yesterday we already discussed about the list of continuous integration. What is Jenkins? What are the benefits in Jenkins? What is the default port number? What is default directories? And okay, what are the directories available? Everything we already discussed. Okay, today we are going to be do how to install Jenkins, guys. How to install Jenkins. Okay. See, these are all the Jenkins steps. So we are going to be install Jenkins, guys. So we are going to be install Jenkins. Okay. Before that, I'm going to show you in project. First, I'm going to be launch the one instance. Okay. The name. See, I'm going to take here as a T2 medium, guys. T2 medium. If you can see, I'm going to taking as a T2 medium. Yesterday, we already showed you some recommendations, Jenkins installation recommendations. Please see here, go for the Jenkins. See, it is a official website, guys. Don't worry, I will share this link also to you. Else you can directly type in Jenkins, go to install Jenkins. There is a Linux is there. You can click the Linux. There is a Debian and Ubuntu is there. You can go for it. Okay, so come to here. I already have a Jenkins.web file. So in network, I'm going to give as a anywhere, guys. Now I'm going to launch the instances. T2 medium I'm taking. So I'm going to be writing here as a Jenkins server, guys. Jenkins. Jenkins server. Okay. Just it will be take some time. Okay. Sometime means it will be taking as a 1 minute only. Don't worry. Okay. Before that, I'm going to show you automation project. See, this is the automation project, guys. Actually, just before we already done it is a manually, guys. We have done it as a manually. Okay. See, I will show you that also. The manual project. In this manual project, here is the developer is there. He is going to be develop his code into his local laptop. And after that, he is going to push the code into the GitHub repository. After that, we are going to install, we are taking as a one manual server, one build server. Then we are going to be installed in that server as a Maven. Okay, we are going to be installed Maven. Then we have done build, guys. After that, we are getting as a some packages, var or jar packages. In these var or jar packages, what we have done, we have copied in some deployment server. Here is the deployment. What is the deployment server? I'm taking as a Tomcat as a deployment server I'm taking here. Okay. So then only our application will be accessed by the end user. Yes. Our application will be accessed by the end user. Everything here as a I have taken as a individual servers. See, here I take it as a Tomcat as an individual server, Maven as an individual server, everything as I have done as a manually, Git clone and everything. But here I'm going to be taking as a automation, guys, automation. But here for automation, I'm going to taking as a for Jenkins, guys. Here is a Jenkins. Okay, we already discussed yesterday why it is come automation, why we are doing. Okay, in starting class also we already done. Why you are doing this? The Jenkins art of the DevOps and to overcome the software development lifecycle. That means waterfall method and this agile methodologies. That means we have to avoid as a this manual interruption, guys. We have to avoid as a this manual interruption. That's what Jenkins is came into the picture. That is fully automation, guys. Fully automation. Okay. See here, developer is developing his code into the GitHub, guys. Okay, developer is developing his code into the GitHub. And here also we're going to use as a Maven, guys. Here also we're going to use as a Maven. But these two tools are where I'm going to be integrate in Jenkins, guys. I'm going to be integrating Jenkins. Here is I'm going to do is as a continuous integration, guys. Continuous integration I'm doing here. Okay. Continuous integration. I'm taking the source code from GitHub. By using this Maven tool, I'm going to do that build, guys. After build, I'm getting as a some var or jar packages. Var or jar packages. Okay. So in that var or jar packages, I'm going to be deploy one Tomcat server. Deployed one Tomcat server. In this Tomcat server also, I'm going to be integrated in this Jenkins server, guys. I'm going to be integrated in this Jenkins server. If you can see here, Jenkins with Tomcat CI/CD automation. I written as a Jenkins with Tomcat CI/CD automation, guys. In this, yesterday I already told you there is a two types of jobs will be there. One is freestyle job, another one is pipeline job. Freestyle job means it is a GUI mode. It will become, guys, GUI mode. GUI means graphical user interface. Okay. Today we are going to be see this one. Later we are going to be see as a writing as a this Groovy script, guys. We are going to be writing Groovy script from GitHub and as well as GUI. In this Jenkins dashboard itself also we can able to write this Groovy script. Up to now I'm going to be do this freestyle job, guys. Okay. Up to now I'm going to be install. After installation I will show you what are the plugins, what are the these directors, how it will become all these things. I will show you now. Okay. So I already launched the server. 1 minute. See now 2x2 check is passed. So I'm going to copy this one. Sorry, selected. I'm going to be connected via web, guys, via web. Or else I want to connect from Putty also I can connect. I can connect from InSCP. I can connect from Git Bash. I can connect from Mobile Extreme also, guys. Mobile Extreme also. If you want in the AWS, if you want to connect, there is a AWS CLI also will be there, but not now. I will tell you once it is a AWS type. Okay. But up to DevOps, I already told you how to connect, how many ways also. I already showed also in physical, guys. Okay, in practical way also. So now I'm connecting as a web connect. You can see here. Connection is establishing. Before that, if you can see here, there is a some of the recommendation. This is the minimum hardware requirement, but it is a recommended. If you can see here, recommended, guys. That's what I took it as a T2 medium, but I given as a 8 GB only, guys. 8 GB is the default disk space, okay? But I took it as a 4 GB T2 medium only at packet, okay? So I want to install Java, guys. First, I want to install Java, okay? Because of Java-based projects, guys. Okay, so here it is. You can see here, pwd present working directory. This /home one Ubuntu. So I'm going to be login as a root, guys. You can see pwd root user. Okay. So now I'm going to be copy entire thing. See here, I'm going to be enter. See in this command, what are the things it is available? Sudo apt update and apt install configure open jdk 17, guys. Here I'm going to install Java version is 17, guys. Okay. Then after it is going as a Java version, everything it will become. Now, shall I install or not, like that? It is asking, do you want to continue? Okay, it will be taken as a 500 MB. If you can see is disk space be used as a 500 MB. Okay. So I'm going to be yes, guys. I'm going to giving as a y. Enter. It's going to be installed. Oh, I'm going to be clear the screen, guys. Control L, clear the screen. So now I want to check Java space hyphen hyphen version, guys. See if you can see here, open JDK 17, it is installed. Okay. So now I want to install Jenkins, guys. I'm going to taking as a long term LTS. Okay, long term support release. I'm going to taking as a this entire thing. See here, to be taking this. I think. See, every time I could not able to give yes, yes, yes like that. So I'm going to hyphen y. Is install automatically. Then I'm going to be start this Jenkins service, guys. I'm going to be start this Jenkins service. Okay, before that, I'm going to be enabling this Jenkins, guys. See here, I'm going to take this. All commands will be provided by this Jenkins official document only. Okay. Oh, I'm going to be enable here. See here. Yes, okay. Now I'm going to be check the. I'm going to be start the Jenkins server. In here, Jenkins server will be start. Then I'm going to be check the status, guys. I'm going to check the status. See here, active and running. You can see enable, reset, everything it is coming. Jenkins defaults username and password. What is it is loaded, everything it will become here. You can see here. See what is the process ID of Java and everything. You can see how much it will be taking a load of CPU and memory. Okay, what are the tasks? Everything it will become, guys. Okay, I'm going to be here. Q, guys. Q means quit. I'm going to be clear the screen now. So now I want to start this Jenkins server. Okay, Jenkins, what is that Jenkins default port number? Yesterday I already told you. Jenkins default port number is 8080. Yes, Jenkins default port number is 88. Okay, so I'm going to be copy this one. Going to be paste it here. 8080. Here I given have the edit inbound rules. I already given all traffic only. That's why it is not coming. Just wait. Eight zero 80. Some latency, guys. Some network only. Okay, don't worry about it. It will take as a 1 or 2 minutes time. Okay, so now you are getting as a unlock the Jenkins. If you can see here, unlock the Jenkins for securely set up by the administration password. While it is coming as a only starting time, guys. Only it is a starting time only it is coming. Okay. Here we are the administrator to install all these services, all these applications, guys. Okay. In company inside, there is a administrators will be there. Application team will be there. They are going to be arranging all the servers and system applications and everything. Okay. Here we are the only engineers to do all these things, setup and everything. Okay. So I'm going to give as a cat space. I want to see that password. See here. See now, this is the password. It will be generated for security way. Okay. So I'm going to be paste it here. Registration password. Then you can create that and you can set up your administration. Okay. It is coming only initial stage, guys. Okay. It will not come every time. See, you can click this as a install suggested plugins only. Okay. It's coming as another. Okay. Again, you can retry. Just click only one time only. That's what it is getting as a unable to error. It is getting okay. I click double and triple time. Okay. That's what an error occurred like that. It is showing. How it is getting started. Okay. See, it is. I'm going to give as a admin. Okay. Admin only. Password also admin only. Admin only full name. Here I'm giving as a some Gmail ID like that. But in company inside, they are going to be provided as a their admin email ID, company email ID only. Okay. So I'm going to be save this one. Okay. This- You can see, guys, this is the Jenkins dashboard, guys. This is the Jenkins dashboard, which is usable like this only inside company also. Okay, if real time, they are going to be go with the cloud bees, guys. In Jenkins, they're going for the cloud bees. Why they are going for the cloud bees means because Jenkins is open source. Cloud bees is a licensed version and enterprise version. Okay, that's what they are going for the enterprise version. Okay, somebody they are going for the Jenkins also, but they are providing as a some third party tools for security. Okay, but it is a totally depending on your company and your client only. Okay, so here these are Jenkins. Okay, dashboard. If you can see here, users are you can able to see here what is the configuration, my view and credentials and everything. It will be available here, guys. If you want log out, you can able to log out here. Okay. So there is a manage Jenkins. We can go for manage Jenkins. See here, it is always suggesting go for the 10 as a node. If you get any doubt, just go through for this document like that. It is telling. Okay, but I'm going to take you as a here as a single node only. Okay. Later, I'm going to tell multi-node also. Don't worry. There is that is called as a master slave concept. I will tell you later. Okay. See, if you need any issues also, it will be giving us some error. Okay, or else some highlighted. Or else if you want, you can continue to set up, or else you can dismiss also. Okay, you can set up any other node for this Jenkins master. You can able to set up. Okay, now not required. Okay, while it is required, that time I will tell you. Okay, don't worry about this thing. I'm going to be dismiss this thing. See now, here is a in system column manage Jenkins. After that, we have a some of the columns, guys. We have a some of the columns like this: systems, tools, plugins, nodes, clouds, and appearances. Okay, if you can see this appearance means we have to see how to see this dashboard and all those things. If you want to see dark mode, you can click here like this and apply and save. It will be changed. Okay, see it is going to be looking like this. See, I'm going to be changing now. I want to default one. apply and save. These are appearance, guys. Okay, how to see this dashboard look like your dashboard. Somebody they will put as a dark, somebody they will put as a white. Don't worry about those all these things. Okay. Another one is cloud, guys. In this cloud, what it is going to be do? If you can see here, add or remove and configure the cloud instances. See, now I'm doing as a AWS environment, right? Here, if you want to add any cloud environment, that means if you want to add any worker nodes, okay, that means any other servers, okay, worker on any other servers you want to add to this Jenkins master, then only you can able to add from cloud itself. This is on premises, guys. See, these also both are same. One is cloud, other one is nodes. Here is, if you can see, add, remove, same, control and monitor the various nodes that are Jenkins runs the jobs. Okay. This also similar way only. Okay. This also similar only. Okay. Both are nodes only, but this one is cloud, this one is nodes. That means physical worker nodes are going to be added to your Jenkins master, guys. While coming to the topic Jenkins master and slave concept, that time I will tell you how to add these nodes. But just up to now, just remember these nodes and all those things. Okay. Another one is systems, guys. Another one is systems. If you want to add any other servers, there is a one of the URLs it will become, guys. One of the URLs it will become. Okay. That time you are going to be add here itself only. See, I'm going to be typed as a some systems. See here in these systems, there is a labels Jenkins location, system admin emails. Okay. If you want to add any other things also, you can able to add it here. Okay. Number of servers, number of applications. If you can see here, GitHub. Okay. Build. Okay. You can see here. This is the GitHub server. Another one is build timeout plugins. Okay. And shell scripts, SMTP, simple mail transfer protocol, guys. Simple mail transfer protocol. I will show you this email attachment time. Okay, don't worry about it. Okay, just up to now, you just remember what are the things we are going to be add. Any other servers you want to add means there is a manage Jenkins. Inside manage Jenkins, there is a systems will be there. Okay, systems will be there. In that systems, we are going to be add any servers, guys. Any servers. And another one is tools, guys. Another one is tools. See, now I want to add JDK, okay, Java, okay. See, I'm going to be click here. See, now I want to install any other packages also. So I'm going to be run as a batch command here. You can see here, you can give some of the commands here, Java commands, and you can give as a some Java home directory. Home underscore Java, like that it will become. You have to how to track. There is a label will be there. Okay, label will be there. Here is Git is there. If you want to install any Git, you are going to be install here also. Okay, so see, to now I'm going to show not this. I'm going to show Maven, guys. I'm going to show Maven. Maven I did not install anywhere. So because why Git is I'm not installing, Git is always it is there. Defaultly it will become Git -- version. If you can see here, I'm not going to be install any Git here. Git it is already there. Okay, Git it is already there, guys. It is a defaultly it is already installed. That's what I'm not integrating the Git. See, now I'm going to be integrating this Maven, guys. So I'm going to be install Maven 3. Okay, Maven 3 I given as a some name Maven 3 like that. Okay, see here is the version. If you can see here, here is the version. See, I want to which version I require. This is the latest version. Okay, I'm selecting the latest version, or else I'm going to be select 3.6.3. And see here 3.6.3. Okay, or else I'm going to 3.8.4. Okay, I'm going to taking as a 3.99 version. I'm going to take. Okay, I'm going to be save, apply and save. See, like this, you are going to be install any software in these tools, guys, in these tools. Now I want to install the plugins. Okay, now I want to install the plugins. Then go to manage Jenkins, then go to the plugins, guys. Then go to the plugins. See here, there is a available plugins. There is a available plugins, guys. You can go available plugins. See, now I want to install Maven, guys. Maven integration. Maven integration. See here. I'm going to be install Maven integration. See now, I'm going to be install download progress. Okay, download progress preparation. If you can see here, automatically it is installed, guys. If you want to restart your Jenkins, you can able to click here, but I don't want to restart. Okay, so I don't want to restart. That's what it is showing like that. But in real time also don't do any restart, guys, because jobs will be run, guys. If you are the only person, they will be here is the we are the admin people. That's what I'm not giving as any restart button here. Okay. If you are the admin people, if you can do the restart means other developers will be run. That means other developers will be run any other job, any other build will be run. It is going to be stop, guys. It is going to be build error. It will be give. Okay. That's what I'm not going to be restart this Jenkins server. Okay. So I'm going to be see. These are the plugins, guys. Another one is security, guys. Another one is security. I'm going to be click security. See, if you can see here, there is a authentication, guys. Authentication, security alarms. Okay, in this security alarms, we have a Unix. See, everywhere we have a LDAP, like a these the system administration people will be there. They are going to provide some links to you. Okay, those links were going to be added in this Jenkins servers, guys. Those links were going to be added in Jenkins server. Same similar like that. There is a Unix user and group management will be there. We are going to be added like this also. Okay. So by using these security alarms, or else you're going to be give as a authentication also. Okay. Another one is authorization. Who need to be access this particular Jenkins? Who are going to be access some matrix also? It will be there. It will be shows. See, for example, particular user, authenticated user is going to be access admin access. Okay, read access, create, delete. That means CRUD operations. Okay, CRUD operations. If you want to add only agent. I already told you there is a master slave concept. It is available in Jenkins. In that time, is going to be access only particular node only. Particular node only is going to be. That means particular environment, dev environment only. Developer will be access. Then that time I'm going to be as a here. I'm going to be add some user here. Present I did not add any users, guys. Okay, that's what it is asking the user ID. Okay, don't worry, I will show you that how to create users and all those. Up to now, just please remember these things. Okay, I will add these users and all those things. Okay, I will show you how to give permission and all those things. Just up to now, you can see if what jobs he has to be access. Okay, what job he is going to be create, cancel, and build. Okay, these are all the things. Read and permissions it will be provided, guys. Another one is SCM. SCM means source code management. Source code management means nothing but GitHub, guys. Okay, GitHub only it will be providing. Okay, providing is plain text. If you want to plain text or else any HTML format, if you want, you can select these things, or else you can plain text only, because plain text only you can able to understand, guys. If some developers they are going to give as a HTML purpose also. Okay. Okay, another one is switch port number you are going to be add. Okay, fixed or random or disable like that. It will be given TCP port numbers in bond agents. That means there is a security reasons it will be there. You have to work with your networking team. That time they are going to be allowing these TCP port numbers, guys. These TCP port numbers. Okay. Another one is you can leave it. I will tell you this API token and all those things. How we are going to be add and all these things. Don't worry. Leave manage Jenkins again. I'm doing. See here. See, another one is credentials, guys. Just before it is showing API token and all those things, right? You can add any others, guys. Any other user, if you want to add it here, just you can go and add it here, guys. Okay, you can add it here. See here, add a credentials. Credentials. For example, username and password. Here I'm going to give Tomcat. Okay, again Tomcat. Like that you can create, guys. Like that you can able to create some system users and credentials also. You have to configure like this here only. Okay, for credentials. Okay, add any domain. It is showing add any domain. Okay, go back. Another one is credentials provided. That means third party will be there. Like for example, any third party, whoever going to be third party, or else you can take your administration persons also. Okay, who will be provided only selected one. Okay, type. Okay, execution. You can see here particular folder. Okay, Jenkins credentials provider, user credentials provider. If you can go and read these things, it will be give some authentication and permissions, guys. Particular folder and particular server is going to be provided. Okay, if you want to give some restrictions also, you can able to provide it here. Okay, see like this, it will be giving you. Okay, username, password, and secret life, secret test certificate. That means certificate means SSL certificate, like that it will be provided, guys. Okay, then after that save and apply, like that you are going to be give, but we are not doing anything here, just I'm showing you guys. Okay, these all things it is available. If you have any issues, this is the user creations only. See, just before I created some of the things, right? Authentication and authorization, that time it is showing as a give me some user ID. See, here is user ID is admin I already, while it is creating time. See, now I want to create any user. Hurry. Hurry. Create one user, guys. Okay, I created a one user. Okay. See, like that you can able to create a number of users. Yes, you create as a number of users. You can they are providing this URL to you, and you are going to be login also. Okay. So see, if you want to get any system information, system log information about to this Jenkins, we will get all the information. What is this? All the system information, it will be available here, guys. Plugins and memory usage, thread dumps, okay, environment variables, everything it will be come to here. If you get any issue, you can go and see the this log records. Okay, in this log records also. Okay, if you can see here, Jenkins. Okay, see about Jenkins. If you want to read all these things, you can go for it. Okay, you can go for it. All these things. This is the control. It is not required. Just remember, guys, but we are not going to be used. There is a Jenkins administration also, separate people also will be there, or else some of the ops team L1 people will be take care about all these system admin level. Okay, system admin level only. Round is not required anything. Okay, just up to now, just remember it. And coming to here, see there is a default directories also, it is available. There is a in Jenkins, there is a default directories. Already told you, var lib Jenkins. You can go for and see this. Because these all are the directories, guys. That's what I'm giving as a change directory. Okay, I want to enter these directories. If I want to see here, see here, if you can see here, jobs, logs, plugins, secrets, updates, and users. If you can see here, cd space users. There is a admin user is there, and her user also is there. This is the instance IDs, guys. Don't worry. If you want to see the passwords, cat user.xml. If you can see here, admin, 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 admin. If you can see here, hurry here, guys. Okay, like that you are going to be check that users and all those things in command line form. Okay, see here LSF and LA. There is no jobs, guys. See, now I'm going to be enter cd jobs. See, up to now I did not create any jobs, guys. Up to now I did not create any jobs here. Okay, any jobs. Okay, I came out. Now I'm going to be created jobs, guys. Where I'm going to create in jobs, there is a new item. If you can see here, new item, guys. Okay, in this new item, I'm going to create as a my first job. Okay, in this freestyle jobs, I'm going to be do now. Okay, freestyle. I'm going to say okay, guys. I'm going to say okay. See, in this, after you created a job, you will get as a this like this 6 columns you will get, guys. 6 columns you will get. Okay, if you can see here, one is general. In this general, there is a description. Discard your builds. That means any old builds it will be there. You're going to be remove also. Okay. See, is there any GitHub project? Okay, and this project is parameterized or not? That means I will tell you what is this Git parameterizer also. Don't worry about it. Okay. Another one is this total. Okay, what is this total builds? Okay, what is this parameters? I will tell you later. Don't worry. Up to now, just see these are all the things it is available when you are going to be create. After creating, you will get as a these 6 rows. Okay, you can see here general source code management. Source code management is Git, guys. Source code management means Git. Another one is build triggers. Another one is build triggers, guys. Another one is build environment. Okay, what are the environments it is available? There is a system environment will be there. Normal environment variables it will be there. It will be coming here only. Okay. Another one is build steps, guys. Another one is build steps. What are the tools you are going to be used and all these things? Okay. Another one is post build, guys. Another one is post builds. Okay. Okay. You can see another one is post build, guys. Yeah, another one is post build. Okay. See, if I want to come down like this, it is coming. Okay, it is showing here itself only. That's what it is not highlighting here. Okay, it is a post build actions. Okay, another one is build steps. Okay, first I'm going to be create as a one normal job, guys. One normal job, first job like that. Okay, see here, I'm going to be do one build simple Linux command, guys. Simple Linux command. I want to do some build. Okay, in simple Linux command, it will be coming as a executing the shell, guys. Executing the shell only, it will be coming. Okay, so here you can see echo means print, guys. Echo means print. Jenkins. See, this one will be need to be print, guys. This one will be need to be print. I'm going to be say apply and save. See here, this automatically came as a build, guys. Automatically came as a build. This is your first job. This is your job name. Okay. See, I'm going to be build it here, guys. See here, it is a green color. It is coming. You can see here, there is a console output is there, guys. Console output. In this console output, you can see it is a success. First, it is a success. What I given as a welcome to the Jenkins, guys. Welcome to the Jenkins. Running as a system, guys. Running as a system. And after building, it is automatically workspace will be created, guys. But in this inside this workspace only, okay, your first job will be available, guys. Your first job will be available. See now here. See now workspace is coming. Before it is jobs also it is there. Okay, it is jobs also it is there. But after whenever you created a job, it will be created as some workspace, guys. Inside this workspace only, number of jobs are available. See how I'm going to be created. Let's space and link and see this. Your first job is there. See here, your first job is there. CD first job. Okay, it is there. 0 files it is there. Which is you created that first job. Welcome to the that is a single line execution line only I created, guys. Okay, now I'm going to be created as a one project. You can see how I'm going to do. I'm going to go for the this Jenkins dashboard. I'm going to create as a second job, guys. Second job. Okay. Freestyle only I'm creating, guys. Here. Don't be confused. See here first, what are the things it is there? See, Git already installed in Jenkins, right? Git already installed. That means whenever I install this Jenkins server, automatically this Git is automatically installed, guys. Okay, now I'm going to do, here is a source code. Okay, what is my source code? See, it is asking the URL. I'm going to be taking as a my web. Going to be taking as this thing. Simply I'm going to be paste. See, here it is asking some credentials. See, it is a public repository, guys. This one is a public repository. That's what does not required for these credentials. Does not require these credentials. Otherwise, we have to add these credentials in credentials area. Where we are going to in credentials? Go to manage Jenkins. There is a credentials option will be there. You are going to be added there itself only in credentials, guys. Okay. Or else you can add it here also. Okay. See, this is the master branch or not. I want to check. See here, this is the master branch. Okay. See, that is the this one, master branch. The remaining everything is same. Okay. I'm going to be apply and save. I'm doing as a single guys. Step by step I'm doing. First, it is already installed and integrated. Now, after that, I already integrated this Maven and Maven installation also I have done. But first step, I'm going to take as a this GitHub as a integration. I given as a URL, guys. Okay, don't be confused. Okay, if you can see here, build now. Second job it will become, guys. You can see here. See here, second job. Console output. See here. See, started by a user, admin user only. It is run this GitHub, guys. Here, if you can see here, success. See, git clone command, it is automatically, it will be working here, guys. Git clone command. See, now I'm going to be see here. Less space. See here, second job, cd space, second job. See, all the files are came or not? All the source code and everything is came. Okay. Automatically it is came, guys. Automatically it is came. Okay. I didn't done any git clone commands here. Okay. Automatically it is came into the Jenkins server, guys. Okay. See, now I want to do the Maven, guys. I want to do the Maven build. Okay. I already integrated Maven and all these things. Maven plugin I already integrated, and Maven software also I already installed by using these tools. Okay. So now I want to edit this pipeline, guys. Same pipeline I want to do. In this second job only, same pipeline I want to do. Here, if you can see here, there is a configure is there. Okay. So you can click it here. If you want to modify any pipeline or any freestyle jobs, you have to go for this configure, guys. Here, if you can see, build steps, guys. See here, you can see here, invoke top level Maven targets. Okay. See, here we are using as a Maven as a build tool. Somebody nowadays they are using as a Gradle also, guys. Gradle also. So now I'm using as a invoke top level Maven targets. Okay, I'm going to give. See here, it is showing as a default, but I given it is a Maven 3. If you can click it here, I given as a Maven 3, guys, in tools. Okay, I given as a Maven 3. See, Maven goals. I already told you while Maven teaching time. Okay, so I'm going to give you as a here. Maven commands always starts with MVN, guys, but here I'm going to give you as a clean package only. Why? Because I already integrated the Maven, guys. I already integrated the Maven. Okay, you can see here clean package only. Apply and save. Build. See here, success is came. Go to console output. See if you can see here. Maven always looks for form.xml file, guys. Form.xml file. It is checking what is the version, what is the build, what is the directory and everything. Okay, what is the artifact ID, group ID, version ID, everything it's check and go to checking for this pom.xml file. You can see after pom.xml file, all the things it will become. It will be run as a all Maven lifecycle rules, guys. See in pom.xml file, it is showing as a starting itself. There is a Maven repository is there. You can see where is the pom.xml file. See this file only, it is checking that central repository. After that, it is enter, it is checking group ID, artifact ID, package, version ID, and everything. Okay. That is the thing only here it is written, guys. Okay. Don't confuse. See all the test case also it will be run. All the Maven lifecycle rules it will be run. It will begin as a some package. What is that package? Var or jar files. Yes. Var or jar files. See here. Tests automatically. Unit test case automatically it is running. Okay. Any failures is there? It will begin as a test. Two test it will be run. Failures are 0. Errors are 0. Skipped as 0. Okay. Nothing is there. That means Maven is successfully built success, guys. So I'm going to be climax. You can see here it is success, guys. See here it is automatically it will become in under workspace. There is a second job. See whenever we done that Maven under target only it is coming that var jar files, right? If you can see here under target only we are getting these var jar files, guys. We are getting these var jar files, right? See now I want to deploy our application to the Tomcat server, guys. Now I want to deploy our application to the Tomcat server. Okay, before that, see, I already told you while discussing itself, there is a jobs will be there, guys. Jobs. What are those jobs? See, in Linux time, I told you there is a cron job will be there, guys, like that, right? Cron job, build job, webhooks jobs. Okay, these all are the available. Where it is available means in GitHub. See, I already told you while discussing in Linux. Where it is available means it is available in our Git, guys. It is available means sorry, our Jenkins. If you can go and see this configure. Getting as a sometime. Okay, you can take it at T2 large also. There is no issue because I already done as a 2 to 3 builds, guys, and I have taken as a very less disk space, 8 GB only I took it. But as I recommended, it is taking as a 50 GB, guys. But I took it as a only 8 GB. That's what it is getting as a some late. Okay. You can take as a T2 large and give some GB of disk space. Okay. 20 GB like that. That's what it is showing as a very loading like that. Okay. You can see here. Second packages is came or not. See here, there is a target file is there. CD here target. You can see here my web is there. Okay, my web is there. Okay. See, if you can see here, there is a build trigger option is there. Build trigger option is there. See, if you can see here, there is a Polasium is there, guys. Polasium. Polasium build periodically both are same, guys. Both are same means these both are cron expression based, guys. Cron expression based means you need to be schedule your jobs, guys. Schedule your jobs. What is the difference between this build periodical and Polasium means? See, whenever the developer will be modified, automatically your job will be built and deployed, guys. But in this build periodically, whenever developer will be schedule your job and developer will be modify unmodified, automatically that job will be built, automatically that job will be built and it will be shows, guys. That time what it will be happened, automatically this CPU disk utilization, memory utilization, network utilization, it will be taking as a more, guys. Increase means more. That time your Jenkins master will be getting as a some hangout, guys, by using this build periodically. Now I will show you this whole ACM, guys. You can see here, go to here. You can see build periodically also. If you can see, click. It is a continuously it will be showing here. See, not to delay for continuing the build the software projects. Okay. So I don't want to this. I'm going to be this thing. Okay, if you can go and see, it will be give. You can see first one is minute, guys. Every minute it is going to be give. Another one is hour. Another one is month. Another one is month, guys. Okay. How it is going to be start also. See, 0 to 59. If you want to try any others also, there is a cron tab. Guru is there. You can see here. You will get to know all these things. How we are going to be provide all these things. Okay. See, now I want to do every minute, guys. Every minute I want to do. Okay. Every minute I want to change the some anything. Okay. So I want to do star space, star space. That means every minute, every hour, every month. Okay. See here. Every minute, every hour. Okay. Every month, date of month. Okay. Date of week also. 5 stars I'm giving space. Every star you have to give us a space, guys. Okay. See, I'm going to be save. See, I didn't do anything here. Wait for the 1 minute. It's automatically come. But I did not modify it, guys. You can observe I did not modify anything here because after modification only it will become. Tomorrow I will show you for taking as a deployment server also. For taking as a deployment server. Deployment server is our Tomcat, guys. Our Tomcat. Okay. Sorry. Show you tomorrow. It's this automation project. See, up to now we have done this one. We already integrated, guys. This one we already integrated, and this one also we have done integrated, right? See, we have to integrate this continuous deployment server also. Okay, we have to deployment of this server also. Just give me a moment. I will do today itself only. Guys, do you have a time, right? Hello.
Yes, Hari.
Yeah, you have a time, right? I will do it today itself only because it is getting a late already. Yeah, today itself only. I'm going to be create one Tomcat server also, or else you can going to be installed in the same server also. You can install the Tomcat, but to avoid confusion, I'm going to be installed taking as a another server, guys, for Tomcat. Okay. Yeah. I'm going to be in as a all traffic. I already showed you guys how to install this Tomcat and all those things. That's what I'm doing as a okay. Frequently I'm doing okay. That's what you can see here. I'm going to do that parts. I'm going to do as a fast as much. Okay. I already showed you individually also how to install this Tomcat and all these things. Okay. So up to now, I'm going to be taking as a this Tomcat also, because you need to know what is the changes in this by using this front tab. Okay, that's what I'm going to be show today itself only. Okay, this is a official website only, guys. Okay, download it is there. And click this download. Go to this download. There's a Tomcat 9 is there. Okay. Wait, connection. I am going to again Jenkins, right? Because of Java, I required 17 Java, I required same package. That's what I'm going to be here. This one. Sorry, guys. Okay, I'm going to be install Java first. Before that, I'm going to be install one plugin also, right? For one plugin also. What is that plugin means? Deploy to container, guys. Because I want to deploy our application to Tomcat server. So I want to install one plugin. See, there is a available plugins is there. Auto plugins. I'm going to be deploy to container. So I'm going to be install. Is installed, guys. After that, I'm going to be the second job only. I'm going to be configure. Okay, I'm going to be talking this. I copy this link. I'm getting as a from web, guys. That's what I'm doing as a wget here. Just hit that link. I'm going to be untar this one. Tar means trxvzf Apache. So I'm going to give as a modifications of full permissions, guys, for that folder. Okay, cd Apache. I enter mode. Okay, 777 for web apps. Okay, cd space web apps. There is a manager is there, guys, and metadata and a va space context.xml. I'm going to be remove here value tag and allow tag. Escape dd. Escape shift colon wq. Can save the file. Want to come back, three folders back. Okay, yeah, I came to back. Oh, now I want to add that. Okay, users, guys. I want to add that users. Okay, cd conf file va space tomcat, guys. Tomcat user.xml. So I'm going to be insert mode. Take it as a I'm doing some alignment, guys. Okay, because otherwise you will get some error. Okay, you have to do proper alignment, guys. You see, okay, escape, colon WQ. And so I came out and I want to start the Tomcat. Okay, CD bin, guys. Okay, so start the Tomcat. Tomcat has been started. Tomcat port number is default port number is 8080, guys. Let's see, 88. This Tomcat instance. Adding the float number. See, I'm going to copy this. This came, guys. So manager apps, Tomcat I given username and password also I given as a Tomcat, guys. See here now. If you can see here, see now I want to deploy this application. These var.jar files I want to deploy in this Jenkins server, guys. Jenkins server. So see, you can go and see here configure. I already entered this configure in the second job. We already done as a build also. Okay, see here. We already done some build also. Yeah, build triggers I removed, guys. You can see I already done some build also. See these clean packages. Now there is a post build actions. If you can see here, post build actions. In this post build actions, if you can see here, apply to var or container file, it will become. See, deploy to var or here to container. I'm going to give here. If you can see here, see where it will become, guys, var or jar files under target only. Target slash star dot star means all, guys. Star dot r. Star means all. Okay. Shift star dot var file dot var files. If any dot var files, it will become under target. Please be pasted here. Contestant path means your future ID, guys. Your future ID is my web. Okay, my web. Okay. See all the things I already written. Our file, guys. I will share this file also to you. Don't worry. Okay. Already written here. Okay. Don't worry. Okay. See in these containers, it will be shows. See add the containers. See why I took it as a Tomcat 9. Up to Tomcat 9 only it is updated, guys. Okay, it is asking the credentials. You can add the credentials from manage Jenkins there also, or else you can add it here also. How we are going to be added here? There is a Jenkins. You can see here, there is a global. Kind is username and password, global. And what is the Tomcat username? Tomcat only. Here also password also. I'm going to be right, guys, because Tomcat. Otherwise, it won't take, guys. Okay, don't copy and paste all these things because it is a passwords. Okay, Tomcat. Add it. Okay, so now you can click it here. It will become Tomcat. It is added. Now it is asking your Tomcat URL, guys. I'm going to be paste this Tomcat URL to your Jenkins server. Now I'm going to do to here, guys. To here only. Apply. Save. See here, I'm going to do as a some build, guys. I'm going to do some build. See here, green color is came. Var or jar file is came or not, we can check. Okay. See, it is a success. Var or file will be source to destination. It is copied, guys. Source to destination, it is copied automatically. What we have done, one server to other server. Last time we have done some SSH configuration and everything, right? See, here is nothing I have done. Okay. I install plugins. Simply one server to another server. I based on the plugins, deploy to container plugin, it is automatically deployed, guys. See now, my web is not there. So now I'm going to be refresh this one. If you can see here, my web. See, welcome to GitHub Webhooks 125. Okay, 125. So see, like this, you are going to be do this automation project, guys. Okay, but here also we are doing as a some manual steps. Okay, here also we are doing as a some manual steps. To avoid this, we have a one more job. It is called as a declarative job, guys. Declarative pipelines. It is called declarative pipelines. That is pipeline jobs. It will become. Okay. Later I will tell you. First we have to complete these things. Okay. Don't worry. Okay, now I'm going to be show you that is build triggers, how it will become and all those things also. Don't worry. Okay, this my web. Okay. See, like this, you're going to be deployed. Okay. See now, the second jobs, all the things. There is a configure is there. See, I'm going to be build triggers, guys. This is the Policium. Every minute I want to do star space, star space, star space, star space, star. Okay, that means every minute, every hour, every month, every week, month of the day. Okay, that is the these stars, guys. If you want to have any doubt, you can click it here. It will be shows. Yes. See here, it will be shows every minute, every hour, day of the month. Okay, and the month, how it will be given as a day and all those things. I given as a, all the stars, guys. Or else you can give by once also like this. But I want to show immediately within a minute. I want to build this. Okay, apply and save, guys. Apply and save. Okay. See, here is the I am the developer only. So what I have said here. What I have said is, guys, see, in this Policium is a conjob expression. Okay, in this conjob expression, I want to schedule every minute. That means developer will be modified. See, now I am the developer here. I want to modify my source code. This is my source code. The main is the web apps index.jsp. I'm going to be edit, guys. Going to be 10. See, I'm going to be commit changes, guys. See, I didn't do any build and all those things in this Jenkins. Okay, it will become within 1 minute. Fifth job, it will be run automatically. You can see here it is a green color. Okay, I given as a blue color and I changed this version also. This thing. I'm refreshing, guys. That's it. See here, it is started. I didn't do any build, guys. See, I didn't done any build like that. Okay, I given as a some scheduling. That time itself automatically it will be build, guys. See, once this one is build is completed, what I have done, the build is success. See, blue color automatically it is coming. 10 is there. Okay, like this only it will become, guys. Okay, this is a build periodically. I already told you in Linux type. Okay, I will show you in Jenkins type. Okay, like this we are going to be scheduling our jobs, guys. Okay, see, one more thing, it is available as a webhooks, guys. It is very important. It is directly we are going to be deployed. It is a some manual approvals, it will be there, or else you want to schedule some job in the particular time, we are going to use this Policium. Okay, but see, what is the slight difference between this Policium and build periodically? Both are same, but if you can, developer will be modified or unmodified. Okay, these jobs will be automatically will be built, guys. That time what it will be happened, it will be taking as a some resources. Okay, what are those resources? CPU utilization increase, disk utilization is more. Okay, memory means nothing but RAM, guys. This network utilization. That time what it will be happen? Our Jenkins server will be going the hung state. Hung state means it will be going to be shut down, guys. It will be going to be automatically shut down. That's what we are not going to be provide this one. We are providing this police CM jobs. Okay, both are cron jobs only. Another one is webhooks, guys. These webhooks were called as a event based, guys. Were called as a event based. Okay, what is the difference between this police CM and these webhooks? See, here is developer will be modified only. We're getting as a automatic jobs. See, whenever here any modification done. See here, we are going to give as a some particular time, guys. Particular time only we are scheduling. But when this event based, we are not giving any time, guys. Whenever developer will be modified automatically, that means immediately action will be take and that job will be run automatically, guys. That job will be run automatically. See, now I'm going to be show you. See, first I'm going to be configure this one. There is a build triggers option also is there. Okay, I'm going to be apply and save. See, but in this build triggers, I have to do, okay, in this build triggers, I have to do in GitHub, guys. I have to do in GitHub. See, this is my project. I have to go to these settings. Okay. There is a webhooks is there. Webhooks is there. Okay, it is already existing one. So I want to add. Okay. So see, whenever you're going to give first time, it is asking the password, guys. Okay. If you can see here, payload. Okay. Can see here, payload, guys. Okay, we have to give the URL like this. This URL is for Jenkins, guys. For Jenkins. You can take this Jenkins. I'm going to be take this Jenkins. I'm going to be this GitHub, guys. So I want to up to given as a 8080 only. 8080 only. Here I'm going to configure this GitHub, guys. GitHub webhook. You can see here. I already written here. GitHub webhook. You have to give these slashes also, guys. Okay, don't forget. See here, I given as a URL and GitHub hyphen webhook. Okay. See context type. I'm going to be my application as a JSON, guys. My application as a JSON. If you have any passwords, you have to provide it here. Okay. If you have any password from Jenkins, you have to provide it here. Okay. These are event based. See this. I can just push the event based. Event based means it is a immediately it will be taking the action. When our developer will be modified your source code, it will be taking as a immediate action, guys. So I'm going to be add webhook. Is not added, guys. It is going to be last error was not successful. Please connect. Okay, last day was successful. Okay, no problem. I'm going to be delete this one. But there is a number of things it will be there. Okay, I'm going to be edit. Update. It will be going to be see this. So I'm going to be delete this one also. I'm going to be add new one. Where is this? This payload you have to give. Application is JSON type. Last error was not successful. It is a 403 error. That means our server error only. So I'm going to give here the GitHub. Build triggers only. This GitHub I'm going to be select. See here GitHub hook trigger only. Okay, GitHub hook trigger only. Apply and save. Begin here. Showing like this. I'm going to view this application on JSON. I'm going to be add to be see why it is not coming. Books are all over not to be okay. Okay, I'm going to be take it my code. First is the source code. I want to be change the source code. Because it need to become as a green color, guys. Green color, the tick mark need to become. Otherwise, your GitHub book is not configured properly only. Okay, just a minute. Going to be show that immediately also it will be take. Changing also. See here, is come or not? Because it need to be done immediately, but I have to see here. If not come means I have to I am not configured properly because it is showing some red color, right? These webhooks. Follow external services payload. Last error was not successfully invalid HTTP response. Okay. This one is last one only. Okay. Going to be delete this one. Where is this one? My web only, right? My web only. Settings. Webhooks. To be configured. This payload only. GitHub icon web hook. Application is JSON. See now it is automatically click, guys. Now it is automatically click. See here it is showing. Okay. There is some glitch, network glitch only, it will be happened. Don't tension. Okay. See here. Okay, that webhook was successfully created. We sent pink play test. It is out. Read more about these things like that. Okay. See now I want to modify it, guys. Now I will modify it. This video. So now I want to modify this thing. Source code and go to the source code main. There is a web apps is there. Index.jsp going to be edit this one. I'm going to be webhook 140 only. Commit changes. Going to be see here. See after changes committed immediately automatically is came, guys. That means immediately, automatically deliver it to your Jenkins. That is webhooks. Okay. This is event based. If you can see this one in Tomcat, see, I change it as a green color as a 140 also. Okay. Like that, you should be configure, guys. Like that, you should be configure. Okay. And see, there is a default port numbers also will be there, guys. You can change the port numbers also. Okay, you can change the port number. How to change the port number in Jenkins? Okay, how to change the port number in Jenkins, guys? So default port number is 8080. So now I want to change the port number, guys. The Jenkins port is there. So I'm going to be taking this. Okay, going to see here. I'm going to be here. Then I'm going to be enter into the Jenkins.service file. VA I'm using, guys. In this VA I enter into the Jenkins. There is a port number is there. In environments, there is a port number is there. See here, environment. There is a port number. I'm going to be insert mode. Then only it will be click. I'm going to be change 8090, guys. 8090. Escape. Escape. Shift colon WQ, guys. Escape. Shift colon WQ. Okay. Now I want to restart this Jenkins service, guys. I want to restart this Jenkins service. So I'm going to be restarted, guys. See, now I'm going to be restart this one. So it is giving us a some warning. Okay, you are going to be change the configuration like that. It is asking. Okay, so if you want to run this thing, you have to use this command like that. It is showing. Okay, so I want to use this. Okay, so now I want to copy this public IP. Right. See, it will become. Don't worry. There is some network glitch only, guys. I'm going to be paste this one. I didn't do anything also. Before that, I'm going to be log out this one. Like right. There is system here. Is changed or not? Okay, it is changed. Okay. System restart calendar. Want to enter this sudo because I am already in root. And go to this Jenkins and go to the security group. Here is the security group is there, guys. Okay, change traffic. This one is already all traffic only. Why it is not coming? 809. No. Start and stop the services. The status, guys. Is active and running only. Okay. So now I want to stop this one. Okay. Don't don't worry, guys. I will show you tomorrow how to change this port number also. But process is the thing only. Okay. We have a two paths are available. I will show you one more path also, but this is the path only. I will show you tomorrow, but you have to deploy your application like this way only. Okay. Here I am taking as a Tomcat as a deployment server. Okay. You can see here, I will share all these things. Just practice one or two times. How I integrated, how I did it. Okay. Before I have done as a entire thing as a manually only. Okay. Now I have done entire integrated in Jenkins. Okay. Inside Jenkins, I have configured by using clicking method. Clicking method means GUI mode, guys. Okay. Then in future, we're going to do as there is a Groovy script is there. In that Groovy script, we're going to deploy this application. Okay. That one I will show you tomorrow. Don't worry. And I will show you how to change this port number also. Don't worry, guys, because it is already time taken. Okay. Do you have any doubts up to now? Hello. Hello. Are you there, guys?
Yeah, Hari.
Yeah. Do you have any doubt up to now?
Need to practice, Hari.
Yeah, need to practice only because it is getting us some errors. Okay. I also, while you are practicing time, you can take as a T2 large. Okay. Because
Sure,
it is a
sure.
okay. Or else you can take a T2 medium means you can give as a some such a space. Okay. That means
Sure,
disk
Hari.
utilization will be there. You have to give that one. Otherwise, you will getting as a issues. Okay. Tomorrow I will also
Okay.
take as a T2 large and I already, or else I will take as a T2 medium and I will take it as a huge disk also. That means 50 GB it is recommended. I will take that 50 GB. Okay. Okay. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. Okay. Tomorrow I will show you how to change the port number also. Don't worry. Thank you. Bye.